Stop buying enchilada sauce. In just 10 minutes, you can make a rich, smoky enchilada sauce at home that tastes better than most restaurant versions. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 cups chicken broth. First, place a saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and let it warm for 20 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and whisk continuously for about 1 minute until lightly golden. Now add 3 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Stir for 20 to 30 seconds until the spices become fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and mix well for another 30 seconds. Slowly pour in 2 cups chicken broth while whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Your homemade enchilada sauce is ready. Would you use this sauce for chicken, beef, or veggie enchiladas? Comment your choice below.